may konting cells sa cervix ko pero hindi siya hindi siya cancerous pa. Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
See, today we are going to the doctor for mommy.
For mommy, not Georgy.
Not Georgy.
Only mommy.
Only mommy, yeah? Punta kami ng clinic kasi pakuha ako ng blood test. Right? And ready na daw si Georgy. Who is ready?
Oh, mommy and Georgy.
Mommy and Georgy. We're already ready. We're already ready. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami. Ang tawag nito. Magpa-blood test ako tapos punta kami ng Spanish small shop dito sa malapit lang sa amin. Kasi gusto ni Georgie ng Starbucks sandwich. Hinahanap niya yung mimi niya. Where did you put your mimi? Just leave Mimi behind. Mimi will look after the house.
No, I like Mimi.
Then you stay with Mimi. Mommy will go na lang.
No, I want Mimi. This
Ayan.
one, my Mimi.
Let's find Mimi when we get home. Because Mommy's late na. Asan na to yung earring, oy? Have a look in your tent, inside your tent. Maybe Mimi's there. Come on, let's find Mimi. Have a look in your Barbie doll house.
He's not here either, mommy.
She's not there. How about in the kitchen?
No, he's not here.
What, have you checked?
No, I have to.
Where's Mimi?
I don't know. Maybe I put on my room.
Oh, then have a look.
He's not here on my room either.
Hindi mo naman hinahanap ng maayos. Eh.
No, Daddy's room.
Okay, have a look.
He's not here. Oh, Daddy's mommy's room.
Oh, come here na, come here na.
We can find me. Oh, he's on your bag, mommy.
She's in my bag.
Yes.
How did you know that?
Because he's hiding on your bag last time.
Wala ah. It's not in here. See, look. Mimi's not there. Mimi's not there. Yeah, that's for you. That's why we have to go now because we're late. You can use that one when we get there in the Starbucks. Okay, let's go now. Crayon, yeah, that's for you. Alright? So we can find Mimi when we get home, okay? Okay? Is that okay?
Mommy, you take my hat on your head. And hold my bag.
Ay, nako. Hold your bag. It's your bag. Put this back.
Okay. Let's put this towel here.
Okay, let's go now. Let's go.
To the yachts.
Okay, wear your hat. I'm not gonna wear this one.
No, you wear a hat. I will hold this.
No, leave the hat. You don't need it.
No, I need it.
Then you wear it.
Mommy, you will wear it. I'm too small to wear a hat. It's too big.
No, it's your hat. Put your shoes on now so we can go. Put your shoes on. Uy, is that yours?
Yes.
Pagdali na ba? Kay late na ta. Oh, see? That's for mommy. It's too big for you.
Oh. Just one same. Oh, mommy. I will help you. You sit down here.
Thank you. Another one. Thank you.
And mine.
And yours.
And
What's inside your bag?
I have nothing in here.
You have nothing in your bag.
Oh, I have Mimi.
That's good. So it's not heavy. Alright, let's go
I
now.
have Mimi, Mom.
You don't have to open it. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Mommy, I have Siva. I got to Mimi.
Oh, wait lang. I need to get Wi-Fi. Wait lang, love. Get in first. Get in first. I need to get the Wi-Fi. Good morning! Aalis na si Mami at si Georgie. Hello, what's that, love? On your... La, may booger. Come here nga. Oh, there it is. It's so big. Look at that. Oh, yuck. Where's the tissue? Towel has boogers. Oh, I removed the boogers. Oh, wipe your face. Wipe your face. Ayaw niya gumamit ng tissue. Gusto niya towel. Okay? Okay now? Yeah? Do you want to put your sunglasses on?
No,
You're okay?
they don't play sunglasses.
Huh?
Mommy, I can't go.
Can you please stop messing about, Georgie? Because mom is driving. We're going to see the doctor. No, ano lang, mami, blood test. Uga man ba yan? Sa Bumpy Road. Nandito na kami ni Georgie sa clinic para sa blood test ko. Sa thyroid, CBC. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung iba, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung na blood test. Georgie is here. Oh. Hello, guys. Uy. Si the nurse, nahirapan siyang kumuha ng dugo kasi very thin yung veins ko. Si Georgie, keep still, love. So I think naghahanap siya ng yung magaling talaga kasi ibang lahi to eh. Mas gusto ko Pinoy ang kukuha ng blood test. Kasi magaling talaga ang Pinoy, tsaka maingat. Ibang lahi. Basta lang tusok. Love. Do not touch the trash, ha? Say hello, guys.
Hello.
Mommy is...
This is...
Huh? What happened to mommy? Huh? What happened to mommy?
Cheetah Yaya.
No, mommy's not yayay.
Yes, she is.
No, I'm not.
She is.
Naku, malate na tayo sa love. Kaya may delivery pa naman ako ng 12 o'clock.
Mommy, sit down.
Oh, look at this.
Not to sit down.
Naluto na ang kanon.
Not to sit down.
Ayan, guys. Tapos na ang aking blood test. Tapos ako kinuha na ng dugo pala. Tagal. Ang bagal ng Nahirapan silang kunan ako ng dugo. Gawa ng manipis yung yung veins ko. So, now, nagutom na si Georgie. Pupunta kami ng Spinis. Ayan. Ito yung, alam mo yung ibang sasakyan, bigla lang huminto sa gitna, nakatagilid. Nakakainis. Tapos walang indicator. Ang bibilis magpatakbo. Ay, naku. Kaya, nakaka-winter din pag mag-drive. Masarap mag-drive guys pag walang traffic. Ayan. Punta tayo ng Spinnis. Hello guys. Gutom na si Georgy. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Punta tayo.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치
Dito tayo mag-park guys para ayan, we're here na. Ang init sa labas guys, grabe, super init. We're here na love. Are you gonna take your bag? Huh? Are you gonna take your bag? You found pink. Ayan guys, 39 degrees Celsius sa labas, super init. Georgie and Mommy will have coffee and sandwich.
Yes.
A sandwich with and it's a aray ko. Yeah, you fit me. So hot. You did pick Mommy. There you go.
This is pretty. And do you like it?
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Last week kasi guys, nagpa-ultrasound ako sa aking puson. So nagpa-pap smear din ako. Ang result ng pap smear is medyo may konting cells na nasa ovary, sa may cervix. Ayan, may konting cells sa cervix ko pero hindi siya cancerous. But I need to go back after 6 months. Tapos yung result naman sa sa ultrasound ko is may PCOS ako, guys. Alam mo yung polycystic ovary syndrome. Normal yun sa babae, sabi ng doktor. Nung pinanganak tayo lahat ng mga babae, meron na tayo nun. So yung sa akin is hormonal imbalance. So ito din dahilan kaya ka nag-gain weight o tsaka mahirapan magbuntis. So alam niyo na, hindi masundan pa si Georgie. So kailangan kong magpapayat para babalik yung para mag-normal ang aking hormones. Tapos sabi naman ng doktor, kung hindi naman kami nagmamadali para magka-baby, kusang mawawala naman daw yun. Tapos kung gusto ko naman magka-baby, gagawa ng paraan. So wala siyang binigay sa akin na inumin para mawala yung PCOS, kasi kusang mawawala talaga daw yan, guys. Nasa din yan, nasa diet. So yung blood test ko today is for CBC, thyroid, at saka yung isa, nakalimutan ko anong pangalan ng isa. Kasi recently kasi sumasakit yung balakang ko. So yung next ultrasound ko is para naman sa sa titingnan yung liver or yung kidney ko kung may problema ba or wala. Kasi so far naman, after kong magpa-check up, biglang nawala lahat yung nararamdaman ko. So napaka weird. So at least para for sure lang, kailangan pa rin magpa-check up kung ano may yung nararamdaman nyo. Kailangan nyo magpa-check up. Huwag nyong baliwalain para at least maagapan agad-agad. So yun, nakakatakot or nakakabahala kasi syempre tayo, kahit sino naman ayaw na magkasakit, diba? So ayan. So sa 23rd, yun yung ultrasound ko para sa aking kidney and liver. So sana maging okay lahat. Ayan, kasi hindi mo maiwasan mga ka-friendship pag alam mo yung pag tumatanda na, hindi naman sa tumatanda na yung as in tanda talaga na ugod-ugod. I mean, pag tumataas na yung edad ba, lalo na yung mga nagkaanak na, doon talaga pag tungtong mo ng 30, doon mo na maramdaman yung mga sakit-sakit na hindi ka na talaga bumabata. So, ayun. Kaya sabi ko sa asawa ko, parehas na tayo, daddy. Yung katawan natin dandahan na nagkakasiraan. So anyway, kailangan talaga, guys, ingatan ang ating kalusugan. Ang ating kalusugan na ang tanging puhunan natin ba para mamuhay pang-araw-araw, ganyan. Makasama ang ating pamilya. So yun, ayan si Georgie. So guys, kung sino po ang gustong mag-send ng birthday greetings kay Georgie, please send po ninyo sa sa Messenger or sa Instagram, kung sino po yung friend ko sa Instagram or sa Facebook. Pa-send po kung sino lang po yung willing mag-send ng birthday greetings para kay Georgie. Si Georgie is turning 3 this 24th of August. So mas maaga, guys, kung mag-send kayo ng maaga para kung okay lang sa inyo, ilagay ko po sa YouTube channel namin para pag ni Georgie, pag may na siya, may alam mo yung pag medyo malaki na siya, naiintindihan na niya, nakikita niya lahat yung mga taong bumabati sa kanyang 3rd birthday. Ayan. So huwag kayong mahiya, guys, mga ka-friendship. Kahit sino pwedeng mag-send ng birthday greetings kay Georgie. Ayan. Laking tuwa ko po kung maraming mag-send ng birthday greetings para kay Georgie. Ayan. Kasi wala namang hindi sa mga gustong magbigay ng ng birthday greetings. Nasarap yan sa at least naalala nyo si Georgie or love nyo si Georgie, yan ba, ganyan. Kahit kay si Georgie na lang. Kahit si Georgie na lang. So, ayan, guys. Tapos gusto ko din magpasalamat sa lahat po sa inyo. Kung sino man yung gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng palaging nanonood sa aming videos. Yung, alam mo yon, hindi talaga nila pinapalampas. For example, may bago kaming video, talagang pinapanood po nila, tapusin man or hindi. Let's do shoutout guys, bago kami uwi ni Georgy. Ang tawag ito kasi nanood siya ng ano niya YouTube channel din niya. So, let's do shoutout. Sa maalala ko lang po, shoutout to you BISDAK&BRITISH channel. Salamat Dai. Shoutout Dali Andrada. Shoutout to you Misha Merge. Shoutout to you Rinsky Guillermo. Shoutout to you Inday on the Go. Shoutout Kuya Danilo Dan Navarro. Shoutout April Ann Reals. Shoutout to you Sarah R. Shoutout to you Mara Kutanda. Marsky Kuyam. Shoutout to you Blooming Family, La Familia Alita Vlog. Shoutout to you Ann Dutch BISDAK Europe. Shoutout to you sino pa ba? Yung Kathleen Dinsangan, kasi lagi talaga siyang nanonood sa sa premiere. Marami kayo, alam yung sino po kayo yung palaging nanonood sa aking premiere. Marlon Technic TV, maraming salamat sa iyo. It's Katis Vlog, March Mahinay, March Live TV, CHENKUTING, sino pa ba? Geraldine Cabresante, yung bata na yan, laging nanonood ng aking video. Tapos si Angie Drew, ayan, sis Angie. Tapos sino pa ba? Shoutout kay Tessa Laurio, Jerlyn June Bravo. Shoutout sa anak niya si Sam. Shoutout sa iyo sis Gwen, Sam, Gwendol and Precious. Shoutout to you Maria and Olivia. Shoutout to you Sally Alana in Hong Kong. Shoutout to you sino pa ba? Shoutout kay Weng, Shane, Auntie Marilu, Anina in Cebu. Yan, uwi na tayo guys kasi may delivery akong darating. Go home. Georgy, let's go home now. Init kaayo. 39 degrees Celsius, pinagpawisan ang aking kilikili. Sinong lalaban dyan? Lakay ng braso eh. Kasi naman ang ilong ko eh. Parang may laking kulangkat. Getting busier kasi lunch na dito yung mga nag-o-office na malapit lang dito is dito nagkakain kasi may mga restaurant sa loob din.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.